Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create glass text effect using Pixellab application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Pixellab application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to add text here. I'm going to click on edit, and for example, I'm going to type in glass text like this, and then I click on the OK button, and then I'm going to change the font. I'm going to go to the font menu. It's here, and I'm going to choose this one. Click on OK. All right, and then I'm going to make it bigger like this. All right, and I'm going to change the font color to transparent. I'm going to go to the color and then select the transparent one, and then we're going to go to the outline, and for the outline or stroke I'm going to choose white. Okay, all right, and now it's time to add the glass effect to this text, and I'm going to show you how we can do it. If we want to create glass effect, we can go to the inner shadow. Okay, enable the inner shadow, and then you can customize the offset X and also the offset Y. Okay, like this. It will create like glass effect. And wait, I'm going to customize the blur radius as well. Okay, and then for the inner shadow, make sure you select white like this. Don't select transparent. Okay, and you can customize it as you like. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. You can play around with the offset X and offset Y. All right. Okay, now it's done, and this is the final result. Okay guys, as you can see that the glass text effect has been created, and you can continue the editing with this text. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create glass text effect using Pixellab application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!